fix text notification sound not working on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.